This Christmas season, Original Orlando Tours presents a new holiday tradition, the Winter Park Old-Fashioned Christmas Cruise. Plan on a magical evening ride with carols, holiday trivia, a reading of Twas the Night Before Christmas, and holiday treats to enjoy along the way, as you glide across the peaceful waters of the lakes and canals of historic Winter Park, under starlit skies. Give the gift of an unforgettable experience this year. A limited number of tickets remain for this new holiday tradition. Reserve this memorable evening, or one of Original Orlando's other fabulous tours today, at www.originaLorlando.com. Experience the magic of Christmas like never before.